Hi everybody, Liam Muzychuk here. I am the store manager at Community Natural Foods. Often get asked why grass-fed beef is better, and sometimes the way I answer it depends on the person that shows up. For some people it's because of the way we know that typically the meat that we'll carry that's grass-fed, the cows are treated really well. They're allowed to be cows are allowed to roam around. Someone like myself, there's really two big reasons I like it. A, I find that the flavor profile is out of this world good. If you took a conventionally raised cow and some of the grass-fed stuff that we would have here, and you grill those up, you'll find that the flavor profile for grass-fed is absolutely amazing. From my perspective as well, I'm obviously very concerned with the health and well-being of my family. I've got a 16-year-old son at home who he's bodybuilding currently. I'm simply trying to keep up with him, but I am in the gym. I am bodybuilding as well. And at 54 years old, I am ensuring that I am making sure that I am healthy and I'm recovering well after a good training session. And so what I can tell you about grass-fed beef, whether it's something that comes in a steak, or it's something that comes in kebabs, you're doing that way, they tend to be, from a nutrient value, much more positive for you. As an example, there's something called CLA that is in higher quantities in grass-fed beef, and it's well known for its anti-inflammatory qualities. And from my perspective, being a bit of a bodybuilder, if you will, it's really important to help keep that inflation down and help me with my recovery. And grass-fed beef as well tends to have a higher vitamin profile as well. So overall, you're just getting a product that is much better for you and your family. And for all of us wanting to stay healthy and do the best things for us, certainly a thing to look at. Now, one of the obstacles people might bring up is that grass-fed beef tends to have a higher price tag attached to it. Well, that is absolutely true. I encourage people to think about a couple things. One is how are the cows treated as they are being grown for that purpose, ultimately for us to consume. And I can tell you from this perspective, knowing that we see the family farms, that the cows are treated very, very well as opposed to packed into small stables. The other side that I actually people to encourage you to think about is pay it forward. If that product is a little more expensive today, but what does that mean for my health 10, 15 years from now? The better we can treat our bodies by putting in real whole, minimally processed foods, the better off our future looks like from a wellness perspective. And it's just something I'd really want to encourage people to consider on top of that all. So I look forward to you coming in. If you have questions about the meat, come and talk to our fresh team here. They're really well knowledgeable. If you see me, grab me as well. Happy to spend time with you as well. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out our Facebook. Go to our Instagram. Participate with us in any way that you can.